Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tia Renee. Long time no see, babes. Like, I know I've been gone. I ghosted you guys for like 2 years. I'm sorry, Buki. I'm back. I got a collective haul, as you can already tell from the video, and these are items that I've bought over the past 6 to 8 months. So if you used to watch me way back when, you guys know I love fashion, luxury, styling, hair, makeup. So if you're into those type of things, think about subscribing and joining the family. But we're gonna get right into today's video, girl. Started off strong with these, but I have not had the opportunity to bust these out the way that I want to. Now, these was like my bold purchase after having my baby, because I was like, I'm not gonna lose myself to motherhood. And so I wanted a shoe that was like sexy, a statement shoe. When I pop out, I'm gonna pop out with these bad boys right here. And I pride myself on being able to strut in a pair of heels. So the height, the platform, I was here for all of that. Like, what? The patent leather, like the details, she's doing it for me. So yeah, these are the Miss Z Mules. Now, I actually wore these on my birthday. Guys, so comfortable, and I have sweaty feet, so for many years I was very intimidated to wear a mule, because I'm like, I'm gonna slide right out of them and trip. But actually, these hug my foot so secure that I don't need to have support in the back with these. So that's what I love about these. I always feel like I need a strap, I need a strap. No, you don't. And one thing I like about the Miss Z Mule over the Me Dolly heels is I like that these come more at a point in the front, whereas the Me Dollies, they're rounded in the front, and that's cute and cool and all, but I just think there's something very sexy, very I'm here about a pointy toe. I love it. To me, it's elevated style. Some people may disagree. Girl, that's me. But yeah, so we got the Miss Z Mules for the win. Love them down. Okay, guys, so this is a little repetitive, I know. But when I like a shoe, I have to get it in another color. So I got the Miss Z Mules in a more tan neutral color. Yeah, cause why not? The Miss Z's, I need these for when I want to be a little bit more casual but still cute and to the point. I like these because honestly, this heel is high, but it's not kitten heel, but it's not like club height. But I could wear these to the club if I wanted to. Are y'all catching my drift? I just feel like the color makes it more like daytime friendly, more not looking like, girl, where you going? You know, I feel like I could do more with these than the black ones. And so I had to get them in the nude, because why not? So I haven't had a chance to bust these out yet, but girl, when I do, I'm gonna be styling and profiling. Watch out for me, babies. I got 2 pairs of Miss Z Mules. I couldn't help myself. We're gonna take a break from the shoes for a while, and I'm about to show you guys a handbag. Yeah, we love Chanel, because what? Take me to Chanel. I love a good wallet on chain. I really love a good wallet on chain, and that's exactly what she is. Okay, I like this little navy blue that we got going on with the gold hardware. Can't beat it. Like, what? And I don't know, I wear dark colors in the summertime. I'm gonna wear whatever color I want to wear. I don't care what time of year it is. But yeah, this is definitely giving fall winter with the navy blue. So I just cannot wait to bust this out. Like, very simple, to the point, little Chanel. She's, you know, very low-key, but for the girls that know, you know. And she's cute. I can wear her shoulder style, crossbody, or I can wear her as a clutch. I like the versatility of it. She's not too heavy. She's just very cute, and I don't carry that much stuff with me, so I don't need a big bag. You know, me being a mom now, I still don't want no big bag. Child, that's what the diaper bag is for. Listen, my wallet, my lipstick, that's really all I need. I don't need no more space than that. I don't. And yeah, haven't had a chance to bust her out yet, but just know when I do, she will be cute. So if y'all want to see, like, in the future, if y'all want to see like some styling videos from me, I know I used to do a lot of styling videos, but if y'all want me to bring it back, let me know. You know, I'm rusty. I got to get back in my YouTube flow, but if that's what y'all want to see, just let me know. So this next purchase I did get off TheRealReal because I love shopping luxury secondhand sometimes because I love feeling like I got a deal. Now I saw these vintage Louis Vuitton wedges. These are the 2011 Louis Vuitton Marc Jacobs collab. I saw Azzy in these on TikTok a couple months back, and I've been on the hunt for them ever since. Saw them on TheRealReal, and I couldn't walk away from them. I might have paid like $3 something for them. But when you start getting into like vintage luxury items, you are going to have to buy it secondhand, obviously. But whoever had these before me kept them in great condition. Just a silicone wedge, Velcro straps. Yeah, I'm going to take them to a cobbler and have them properly clean the inside for me. And it does have a little scuff on the back, and I just want it properly cleaned without messing it up. So I'm going to take it to a cobbler just to see what they can do for them. So yeah, I love these. I wore them to dinner, got so many compliments on them. They look great with a fresh pedicure, French tip moment. So yeah, these have been my favorite. Next are my Hermes Elda espadrilles. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't have to know how to pronounce it. I can afford it. So I love these right here. I like how low-key these are. It's giving me platform vibes, which I love. I wore these with a pair of jeans, and I don't know, they were so comfortable. I love a good wedge. It does have a strap, so I like that support. And yeah, these are just everything to me. They're so comfortable. Everything don't have to be high to the sky, so I can appreciate these for what they are. When I want to do an elevated look, but I don't necessarily want to wear a flat or a heel, this is a great in-between shoe. So yeah, shout out to Hermes. We love them. For the last item, I have the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini bag. Got this to like put like my makeup and stuff in, just because I've been using this one that I got from, it's like a Hello Kitty. Is it Hello Kitty? It's one I got from Ulta like years ago for when I went to Houston, and I'm tired of using it. It's childish. I wanted something like to feel more grown woman-ish. So I actually got this one for my makeup. Super cute. I love the inside of it. Can we talk about those stripes? Like the orange detailing. She's super cute, and she's very spacious on the inside. So again, I don't have that much makeup. So I don't have that many items in my makeup routine. You know, I do a little 1-2 here or there. I don't need no big bag. You know, the makeup bag I have right now is actually so small. So yeah, but she's cute. I love the yellow mustard trim on top of it. Gives it a little pizzazz. And yeah, I like this, especially for when I travel. This always fits into like a carry-on. Can't beat that. I love it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. That does complete today's luxury collective haul. Sorry if I was talking fast in this video, you guys. I haven't been on YouTube in like 2 years, so it's like riding a bike. You guys got to let me get back in my groove of things. Like, I'm trying to get the dust off of me. So if you enjoyed this video, girl, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.